What makes an entire society happy? Researchers have long studied what brings joy to individuals, but personal well-being and collective well-being do not always align. Sometimes behaviors that help an individual cope, like venting negative emotions, can drag down the mood of a whole community. To understand these complex dynamics, researchers recently analyzed data from the World Values Survey. Their sample included exactly 97,220 citizens across 66 different countries. The scientists evaluated two distinct theories of national well-being. The individualistic pathway suggests that if people pursue their own personal happiness, society naturally becomes happier. The communitarian pathway suggests that society must create a supportive environment where individuals lift each other up. To see which pathway better predicted collective happiness, the researchers examined more than 200 social and psychological variables. They grouped the traits associated with well-being into 5 broad drivers. The first driver was individual emancipation, which includes empowering people to make autonomous choices and advocating for equal rights. Living in a highly inclusive society was linked to higher average happiness for the entire population, even if fighting for those rights did not always make the advocates themselves happier. The second driver was fostering Enlightenment ideas, like valuing science, human rights, and democratic participation. Embracing these ideals was associated with both personal joy and a better societal context. The third and fourth drivers involved satisfying basic human needs, like food and healthcare, and having effective governing institutions, like trustworthy police and justice systems. Having these needs met strongly predicted an individual's personal happiness, but this did not inherently translate to a happier, broader society. The fifth driver, favoring close in-group ties, revealed a complex relationship. Feeling closely connected to a local neighborhood was linked to greater individual happiness. However, societies that placed a heavy emphasis on local ties actually tended to be less happy overall. The researchers noted that overly strong local bonding might create a fractured society where people only trust their immediate circle and develop prejudice against outsiders. The study is correlational, meaning it cannot prove cause and effect. However, the researchers concluded that public policies aimed at building open, fair, and supportive societies are strongly associated with higher national happiness. A happy society appears to be more than just a collection of happy individuals. Learn more about this study and other new research at PsyPost.org.